opening a present. Can you open one? Ooh, what's in here? What's in here? Ooh, what's in here? You can't reach. What's
You have to get down.
here?
Step down. Okay, you give it to mommy. Step down.
Ooh, what's in here?
What is that? Rip it.
Bingo ball, bingo.
That's pretty.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Nice and big.
Here, open it.
Bingo,
Oh.
Blue out.
ball, bingo.
What is it?
Sit down.
Yeah, pretty.
You sit down.
What is that, Jackson?
Why would you cut it? Because blue doesn't matter.
You
Look, I
sit
can't even tell that one. Look, even if you put it on black, it doesn't matter. Trade with Jackie. No, you don't have to trade. You just cut it off.
Okay, there's something right in front of me.
What?
You gotta say, I'm tall.
This is metal.
You hurt your butt? How'd you hurt your butt? Don't fall. You're scaring me.
Want another one, Jackson? Do it again? Do it again, do it again! Do it again, Jackson! He says, yeah, okay, whatever. Yay!
Stepping on the seat's the highlight of the Christmas morning.
The other ones out.
Yo, bus.
He likes
Yo,
his
bus.
bus.
Tell me not to.